Good afternoon. My name is Beth. Welcome to my channel, Watercolor Painting in the Afternoon. Today I wanted to try to do these 4 very simple landscapes. They are very simple, and I'm laughing because, it seems like every time I do a practice run on something and then try to film it, like the practice run is so much better than the actual filming that I do. But you can see there is a beach scene, a lake scene, a mountain scene, and I practiced the tree again over here because I wasn't 100% pleased with this one. And finally, just a field. It looks kind of like a field you might see in England or something like that because of the little fences and the patchwork. So I'm gonna give them a try. Let's see if we can do 4 simple landscapes. All right, I think that does it. 4 little landscapes done very, very quickly, very easily, and I hope you enjoyed that. I hope that you will consider painting along. If I had one other thing to do, I would think it would be to make these little reflections here just a little bit greener than I did, but overall I'm pretty pleased with the way they turned out. So I hope you'll join along, and I hope you will like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.